Hi guys, I wanted to shoot you this quick video. I want to do a testimonial for this trading platform I'm in. I'm going to go into the copy trading, but before I do that, I want to show you some things about this site. And I'm very, very happy with how it's performing for me. So the first thing I want to do is to come down to my earnings. Now, I've not really promoted this business because I wanted to give it a good test run. So now I've got my test run out the way. I'm going to be sharing with you on a regular basis of how I'm doing and how the trading is performing. Now, this website do all the trading for me. I deposit my money into, I give it to them and they trade it for me and they double my money basically. Now, as you can see here, I've earned to date $6,839. I've got a balance of $300. So I've earned that in the last 24 hours. Now, that hasn't come from trading. That's come from the non-passive side of it, and that's where I recruit people into the business. So I've got a payment there, or a series of payments there that add up to $300 where I've recruited other people into the business. But I don't want to get into the compensation plan at this moment. What I want to do is talk about the passive side. And so what I want to do is come up to the top of the screen, and I'm going to come to finances and I'm going to go down to the trading pool. So we'll let this load. So as you can see here, they're trading for me, trading with $3,500. Obviously, they don't trade the full amount, but they're trading proportions of that, and they're giving me a return at the end of the day. And so as you can see here, the return is 1.04% for that day, which was the 9th of the 3rd, which was yesterday. And then on the 8th of the 3rd, which would have been on Monday, I got a return of 1.130%. Okay, so there's the returns I'm getting, and this is how much I've earned. So I earned $39.55 there, and $36.40. Now, what they'll do is they'll keep trading until I've doubled the money that I've put in. Okay, so if I come back to the dashboard just to show you with the plan that I'm on, and I come down to here, I'm actually paid into the $5,000 package. Now, I started at the $300 package, and I've not put any more money out of my pocket in. What I've done is upgraded from the profit. So you see, I've paid into the 5,000, but I've actually earned 6,800. So if we get our calculator, 6,839. So if we put in that minus the 5,000 I've paid out for upgrades, there's a profit there of $1,839. Okay, so what I need to do is I need to earn some more money now because I want to go into the next plan. So if I click on the upgrade button, I want to go into the 7. So I need to accumulate $2,000 plus, because obviously there's some fees and whatnot involved, and I'll go into that in another video. So I need to get up to the next plan, and I want to do it from the profits. Okay, now as I said earlier, the profits that I get is not all passive because I'm recruiting as well. But if you're doing the passive, I've got a video to show you how long it would roughly take if you want to do just the passive. But what I want to do is come back to the main dashboard here. Now, what I do want to say is, while this is loading, I'm not a financial advisor, okay? It's always good to do your own due diligence. I've done a lot of due diligence on this company, and I can honestly say with my hand on my heart that this is, I feel, the safest business that I'm involved in right now. And when I say safe, what I mean is I feel very confident that this company is not going to go out of business and run off with any of my money. I'm very confident and I feel very happy with this company based on my own due diligence. But it's always best that you do your own due diligence. So before we get into the copy trading, because that's not quite launched yet, but I'm lucky enough to be one of the testers. So you could have had, they were looking for testers first off initially with a $5,000 budget. I didn't go into that one there, but then they said, if you've got $1,000, you can be a tester as well and come in with $1,000. So I went in with 1,000, and I'll show you that in a moment. Okay, I'm going to show you my copy trading. So let's just make sure that it's clear. When you join this business, you pay them your money, okay? But when the copy trading comes online, you will have control of your funds. So you can withdraw your funds at any time. You can stop the copy trading, and you can withdraw your funds at any time. So I think that's just so powerful when that launches, and it's due to launch very, very soon. There was talk that it was going to be towards the end of this month, and we're at March now, Wednesday the 10th of March. So what this company does at the moment is they trade it for you, okay? And they share the profits with you. So if you look at resources and come down to, they have a tab here called Web TV. That will take you over to this page here, okay? Now at the top here is the pairs. Now this is live. This is live trading, and you can go and see this on YouTube, which I've opened 2 of the trading windows in YouTube. So this is live. So let me just make this big. Now this has been live broadcasting. I'm sorry, I'll cancel that. And it started on, if you look here, started streaming on the 7th of March. So there's a lot of history here that you can look back. And I'm going to put these links to these 2 videos that I've got here, these 2 live streams, below in the description, so you can have a look for yourself. But let's just make this nice and big and just sort of analyze what's there. These are the bid and ask prices. So you're not interested in that. What you're looking at is this chart. And so you'll see here, if you look here, I don't know whether you can see, there's a buy there. So that was a live trade that was caught on video, and they did a buy, and then they did a sell. Okay, so that was a profitable trade there because they bought at a low price and sold at a high price. Then they done this buy here. So they did a short. They could see the market was dropping, so they sold there. So just on these 2 trades, this one they had a win on, and this one they've had a loss on. But you can go back in history on these, okay? So you can go back in history and you could look, because this has been running now for a few days. And you could see here, look, a buy, a sell, and another buy up here. And if you could see there's a sell down in that corner there. Now, they can either, I don't know what strategy they're doing, they're either long in the market, which means they buy low and they sell high, or they're doing what's called the short in the market. As you could see, you can go right back in history for hours here and see their trades. There's a buy there, there's a buy there. Look, so there's a buy over here on this side of the screen and a sell. So they're actually doing live trading, and you can go and check these trades. We can see that they're using this ForEx over here. If you can see there, it says ForEx 2 Real 1. And that's where they do the copy trading. So I want to talk to you now about the copy trading. So I've got these 2 videos. There's this one here, and as you can see, it's live, and I'll put the links for these below. As you can see, there's one person watching, which is me. You can go and have a look as well, and you'll see that this is live, and you can go back in time and see how they're trading. Okay, so they're really doing trading. They're not this Ponzi scheme that's making you think that they're trading and they're not trading, because they are real trading, and I can prove that right now because of their copy trading. So if I come back to the dashboard here, they've got this section here. And if you click on this, it says learn more. And I'll take you over to it in a moment. The live trading on my own platform where my money's been deposited in. So here you can read all about the copy trading. Okay, it says it's launching soon. And they're basically going to, you deposit your funds, and I'll show you here. So look, let's just first off look at the price of Bitcoin. So if you could see, I've got this blue block in here, because I like to follow the Bitcoin prices, okay? I need to be, for my trades, what they're doing on the copy trading, I need to be in this blue area, you know. I need to drag that across there, and I need to be in this blue area for me to start getting into a profit with the current trades that they've got open. So let's have a look at my trading platform. Now what I do is I'll just refresh the screen to show you it's live, okay? Now, I deposited into here £1,000, okay? I deposited in £1,000. If you look at the top of the screen, you'll see now that my current balance is £989 or £90. Look, it's changing all the time. And I'm in a minus of $16 or £16. Now, if I come on to open positions, they've got 2 trades open for me. So if you look from the left, they're trading with Bitcoin to USD, Bitcoin to USD. They did a buy trade. So they bought in an amount of Bitcoin. At this trade, they bought £585 worth of Bitcoin, and they bought it at this price. Okay, the current price is this, so they're very, very close for this to getting into a profit. And this one, they bought £97.58 worth of Bitcoin, and they bought it at this price. And at the current prices here, and you can see that it's not long before that one will be in a profit, providing Bitcoin keeps on this path and it gets into this blue. We're right at the bottom of the blue. So once it gets into this blue area, anywhere inside this blue area is a profit. We're right at the bottom, okay? This should really be, if I'd got it right, is there. We're right tipping at the bottom of that blue area for them to get into a profit for me. But look at the past trades. These are the deal history. So this is testing. They're testing. So they did a buy trade, made me a profit of £3.72. A sell trade. You see where I showed you on that chart where they were buying and selling? It doesn't mean that they have to buy and then sell to make a profit. As you can see there, they opened the sell trade and still made a profit, you see? So there's 187. Another sell trade of £3.26. This is pounds, not dollars. A sell trade. This one they lost. So they got, what, 1, 2, 3 trades they're winning. One trade they've lost. Got another trade here, a sell trade, made a profit of £3.46. So they've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 trades there and one loss. Now this is copy trading. And this is what's coming to this platform. And if you're in this platform when this launches, you're going to get first taker up on this, because I understand that they're going to be releasing it slowly to let people get in. But what they do is their professional traders trade, and they have a robot. I'm not sure how it works, but it does the trade simultaneously. So if they open up a buy order, it opens up a buy order on your trade. If they open up a sell order, it opens up a sell order on yours. Now, these funds, if I want to, I can stop all this, okay? I can close all this. If I go to the open positions, I can close these positions here. Obviously, I wouldn't do that because that would run me into a loss. But I could close these positions and withdraw my money out at any time I want to. This is connected to my UK bank. I deposited pounds into here. Okay, and when I will withdraw out pounds. Now, unfortunately, this system's not available for somebody in the USA. Practically every other place on the planet, it is available. You have to be KYC'd because you're using real money, if you like. You're using money connected with your bank. But this is testing. Now, obviously, I'm not going to look at this. You know, this is in a negative at the moment at £12.67. But, you know, when you're trading, you can't expect everything to be in profit all the time. They buy in at the right time, what they believe is the right time. They watch the markets and they'll sell at the right time. And, you know, imagine if they had bought up here, then we've not gone above that. But they didn't. They waited for the markets to drop to get me those other trades, and they bought in at lower prices and sold out, or if they were short in the market. As I say, I'm not going to go into shorting and long trading. That's not what I do. You don't have to be a trader to do this stuff, okay? And look at that. How fantastic is that? Already got into profit now while the time of making this video. And if I look at my blue line, it's gone into that that sweet zone, if you like. So how fantastic is that? And that's the copy trading. I'm not doing anything. I just like looking at it, to be honest. But as you can see now, I've already got $14.46 in profit, and it's not over yet. Okay, it's not over yet. So if you're serious about having a passive income in 2021, what do you need to do? Well, below this video or above it, you're going to find a link. Click that link. It's going to take you to this page. Pop your name and your email address, and I'll send you all the details about this company so you can join for free. You can do your own due diligence. You can ask me any questions you like, and I can get you started. If you're watching this on my blog and you want to get started, then all you need to do is click the button below the video. That button is going to take you to the next video to show you how to get set up so you can create a free account, then do your own due diligence. Again, ask me any questions you like so that you can start your journey on a passive income for 2021. You have a fantastic day, and I'll see you in another video. Bye now.